This tutorial will elaborate on the system configuration method for adding a central control panel to a building intercom. Deployment can be completed step by step. There are 3 key points to note. 1. All devices must be on the same LAN with consistent IP network segments. 2. It is recommended to set a static IP for each device. 3. Universal default password 516,516. Step 1. Access control intercom system connection. Obtain the local address and IP address of the central control panel. Swipe down the notification bar on the central control panel and open the Access Control plugin Smart Access. Enter the plugin settings interface, then view and record local address and IP address in device information. To modify group and room information, go to local settings, enter the default password 516,516. Step 2. Add a single central control panel to the Access Control terminal. On the Access Control terminal, go to Menu, Room Management. Enter the password and tap the plus sign. Fill in the relevant information based on the data obtained from the panel. Fill in the location information or model of the central control panel here for easy device identification, for example, S10, living room. The group number can be uniformly set to 999. This field is for the room number. The local address is generated by the system by default. If modification is required, you can do so in the local settings interface. Save the settings. Step 3. Single panel call test. Tap the added panel name on the Access Control Terminal desktop to initiate a video call.